Welcome to Cricknuts, cricket recaps and insights.
As the sun raced the New Jersey hub, a palpable excitement buzzed for the Under-11 junior joust. The Royal Blazers and Crickmax Hawks faced off in a riveting encounter, where each ball would weave the narrative of young champions.
In this cauldron of junior cricket, destiny awaited the little giants. Hawks and Blazers, with dreams in their kits, embarked on a quest mirroring the epics, under the watchful gaze of aspiring legions and the bright skies above.
It was a scenario straight out of a superhero flick, where one team soared and the other stumbled, setting the stage for a tale of Hawkeye triumph in the junior joust, with both sides desperate to etch their mark in this storied rivalry.
Indeed, like a classic game of chess on the 22 yards, the Hawks masterfully outmaneuvered the Blazers. Key moments unfolded in quick succession, shaping the outcome of this youth showdown, reminiscent of the old guard passing the torch to cricket's future prodigies.
The Blazers, taking the guard post toss, found themselves in a labyrinth of Hawks' precision bowling. Amidst the tumble of wickets, one partnership stood out, a 12-run thread woven by Sheikh and Kishan, offering a glimmer in an otherwise dim inning.
Checkerboard assaults by the Hawks with Parmar's spellbinding figures and Raman's tight overs spun a web around the Blazers' batsmanship. The strategic chokehold by the Hawks ensured that the Blazers' scoreboard resembled a meager constellation, scarcely bright enough to guide them.
The Hawks' innings read like a thrilling chase, cut short by the swiftness of victory. Asrani, anchoring the ship, crafted a symphony with the willow, stitching a partnership that all but sealed the Blazers' fate in this joust.
Young Reyansh Kishan's triple strike offered a flicker of resistance for the Blazers, but it was the Asrani saga that dominated the script. His bat wrote poetry on the pitch, swiftly eroding the Blazers' defense in a shortened narrative of triumph. With ball and bat, Parmar and Asrani shaped the destiny of the Hawks. Their performances were the linchpin in this encounter, stoking the flames of the Hawks' ascendancy while the Blazers' ship struggled to sail in the turbulent seas of competition.
In a swift conquest, the Crickmax Hawks claimed a 7-wicket win, a testament to their bowling prowess and clinical chase. It was a match won in the alleyways of strategy, patience, and the unwavering focus of youth.
The Hawks' dominance left the Blazers contemplating what might have been, in a match that slipped through their fingers like sand. The result, an emphatic victory for the Hawks, setting the stage for future sagas in this burgeoning cricketing chapter. A performance reminiscent of the cricketing maestros of yore, Parmar's bowling finesse, and Asrani's batting poise, were the highlight reel of this encounter. Glimpses of future stars, akin to the international legends, shone bright today.
As tales of this match are inked in the annals of the junior joust, we remember the Hawks' flight to glory. Players and spectators alike look forward to the unfolding drama in matches to come, where today's heroes may become tomorrow's cricketing icons.